So the Amy Coney Barrett hearings are underway, and she's being introduced right now by Judiciary Committee Chairman and GIMP for Trump, Lindsey Graham. But my one question, and I know no Republican will ask this, but I hope one Democrat asks, it's basically, you're wearing a mask now because we require it, and that's great, and I guess that looks okay on TV. But you attended your announcement with President Trump without a mask at what we now know was a super spreader event. Your 7 kids were without masks, including one who is special needs. Your husband was without a mask. My question would be, why didn't you wear a mask? Why didn't your kids wear a mask? Why didn't your husband wear a mask? Is it because you're anti-science and don't believe or don't trust the science that's pretty clear on this issue? Or were you not wearing a mask, and were your kids, including an at-risk child, not wearing a mask because you wanted to either prove something to President Trump, that you had some sort of loyalty to him above science? Or did you feel some sort of peer pressure not to wear a mask and not to have your kids wear a mask? Because we're pointing you to the Supreme Court under a president that already expects you, based on his comments about cases about the election going to the Supreme Court. He clearly has implied that he expects fealty, or at least a good decision, from you and the conservative justices. So if you were either anti-science or trying to prove political loyalty to the Republicans and/or President Trump, how can we put you on this court? Either one of those seems disqualifying. And if it's neither of those, what would be your reason or explanation for not wearing a mask and not having your kids wear a mask, your husband wear a mask, at an event where people were very close together and turned out to be exactly what scientists feared, a super spreader event? Thank you.